Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marilenny and welcome to the Pineapple Squad. If you're a new subscriber, then don't forget to join my family, my Pineapple Squad here on YouTube. And today we're actually going to do a review, and it's going to be a review on the new True Complexion Contour Palette. I have the light to medium one, and this is by Black Radiance. You guys know I really love Black Radiance. I did review their foundation a couple of years ago, so I will link it down below or somewhere in here so you guys can check it out. But yeah, this is how it looks like, and I was like casually browsing through Walgreens and I saw that they had a full Black Radiance like rack. Like, I've never seen so many Black Radiance makeup products in one place, and I saw that they had these. They also have it in like a cream contour, but I don't like to cream contour that often, so that's why I went for this one. And this is the powder one, and it brings a highlight and then it brings two contour shades. So if you want to know more about this palette, then please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. To my face, I have my foundation, eyebrows, pretty much everything except the contour and everything. And I already did apply my powder, because the first step to having like a very good flawless contour is to powder your face so the contour can go on top of the powder and it just looks even more flawless. So I'm gonna go in, and I'm actually gonna start to go in with my e.l.f. contouring brush. And it looks like this. I believe this is like $6. I got mine at Target and it looks like that. And this is how the palette looks like in the inside. It brings a contour, a sculpt, and then a highlight. Guys, this highlight looks so nice. Like, I literally have to swatch it for you guys because it looks really nice, and it looks like one that I will like. So this is a True Complexion Contouring Palette, and it says rich pigment powder. It has a trio sculpt, highlight, and defines. And it just has like the application guide and like how to do it. It says that this one should be used around the hairline, the sides of the nose, along the cheekbones, the jawline, and then the one in the middle is for the forehead, the brow bone, the bridge of the nose, the cheeks. But obviously you can use it however you're comfortable with. And then the highlight one obviously is to include the cheeks, the nose, the chin, and all around the face wherever you like to apply it. And I'm just gonna start with the one here. And they don't look powdery, just a little bit of powder, not that much, something that's pretty normal. Oh wait, never mind, it has a lot of powder. Never mind. Well, that doesn't bother me, so as long as it doesn't bother you, you're good. Okay. Let's look at our mirror. I'm doing this video pretty much because I have most of my followers that always comment on my videos are girls like me with color. So whenever I find something that works for me in my skin tone, I really want to show it to you guys. So see if you guys like want to buy it or anything. So that's mainly the reason why I'm doing this. And whoa, I love how this looks. I like this color. You guys know my favorite thing is highlighting and my bronzer. I think my bronzer, I like it now better than highlighting. And this has a strong smell. It has a strong smell, so if you don't like strong smells, you might not like this. So, and I only use one thing to contour. I don't like using two powders, so I'm not gonna be using the second one. But so far, I really like this one. I really do like the color that has given my skin. I feel like I went to Hawaii and I came back and I'm glowing, you know. I'm gonna skip the one in the middle. But so far, this one, it blends really good. It looks so nice on my skin. It doesn't look patchy whatsoever. So I'm really happy that I really do like that one. And now I'm just going to go in with, actually no, let me put my blush real quick. And I'm going to use my LA Girl blush. You guys know this is my favorite blush. I've mentioned it in so many favorites videos already. I love this blush. Okay. Alright, so now I'm going to highlight, and I'm going to use my, right here. Lately, I've been loving to highlight my cheeks with this Pixie brush. I got this in PR a couple of months ago, and it's like already like breaking, which is crazy. It broke. Are you serious? Alright, I'm gonna use this side anyway. So I've really been liking to highlight with this, which is really weird because it's really fluffy. But we're gonna go in. Oh my god, this has a really strong smell. Or is it? I don't know if it's this or... Holy... Come on. Do you guys see that? Ooh! Oh my goodness. Not sure if I like it. It's very, very strong. But... I don't like the highlight. To be honest. I don't like it. I feel like it makes my cheeks look a little bit dirty. It has like a nice... I don't know how to say it. It has a nice pigment. And the color is beautiful. That definitely yes. But I feel like it's really dry and it got in my pores right here. Got in my pores right here, and it doesn't really like have like a glow. It's more like a powder. Like it looks more like a powder than a highlight, so I don't like it. Oh no, it just made my skin look really dirty, to be honest. I don't like the highlight. Let me swatch the 3 of them for you real quick. No, I don't like the highlight. Just touching it, it doesn't feel good. Here are the colors right here on my hand. And the highlight doesn't like, it has no shine. All it has is like powder. Like all I put in my skin is just a powder, like a white powder. So I don't like the highlight. I do like both the shades. Like, oh, look at those contour shades. Those are perfect for me. Alright, so this is how they look up close up. I love the contouring shades. I don't like the highlight whatsoever. It's ridiculous. Alright guys, so this is the tutorial that I had for you guys. This, I don't remember how much this was. I think it was $6-7, so I will definitely pay that money for the first 2, but for the highlight, no, I'll probably use it as eyeshadow, to be honest. I don't like how the highlight is. Like, it looks so nice in the pan, but then when you put it on your skin or when you swatch it, it's like a white powder, like a powder for somebody that's really light skinned, which is really crazy. But yeah, I really do like this. I think it's worth the money only for the 2 contour shades. You guys know I love contouring and I love the color. I must say I love the color that it gave my skin. I really do like it. So this for me is a hit. The highlight is a miss. Not gonna even wear it ever. I don't recommend it to anyone. But yeah, this is a tutorial that I had for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe to the Pineapple Squad. And yeah, that's it that I had for you guys. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye guys.